All right, guys, welcome back to another market update video. We'll talk about the indices as usual. We'll discuss about the global indices as well. But before we do all that, make sure that you're liking the video again. Helps with the algorithm. The channel is growing steadily, so make sure that you keep supporting, keep liking. Also, for new people who not yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe as well, because I'm pretty sure that the info on this channel help, helps you guys out. So let's start with Nifty 50 as usual. We'll pick up Nifty here. So if you see Nifty, very interesting candle today, right? We have been trading around this area since a time now, since a while now. So this was the base which I've been talking about, and this is 19,300, which was a very important level for us. Um, Very important level for us in the past few videos, right? So recently, what has happened? Basically, today what has happened is just a sec. All right. So what has happened recently is if we go on to the hourly charts. So we pushed through this supply right here in Nifty. We went up from this supply, and then there was a pullback to this area of demand, which actually broke this supply. So on the hourly chart, we had also talked about the indices being bullish. So the demand zone which broke through this supply right here. Nifty pulled back to that demand zone. That demand zone was around this area was around 19,450, right? We pulled back to this 19,450 level, and then there was a one-way up move in the in the afternoon in Nifty 50. All right. So things look very bullish here because of the move that happened today. So what I would focus on, the level which I would focus on is basically this level, which is 19,450. All right. Obviously, I wouldn't buy straight into this level. But this 19,450 level from which the market turned around today is extremely strong right here. There's also a 4-hour demand zone. The candle size is small, so you can basically call it a daily demand zone as well, right? Not a lot of difference here. So Nifty is very strong. The immediate target for Nifty becomes this area of supply. So this area of supply becomes the immediate target for Nifty. Or maybe you can take this entire area of supply, which is from, let's say, 750 to 850. All right. So the higher point of this supply is around 19,850. So Nifty, in my opinion, should climb back up to this supply quickly. Now, when will it fail? When this 450 level is broken um, properly. All right. Then your trade fails here because Nifty will break the demand zone which it is holding till now. All right. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty not as strong as Nifty. I was expecting Bank Nifty to quickly go up here, but obviously it isn't as strong as Nifty, and it hasn't broken any supplies yet. So that is the main concern in Bank Nifty. If you see, Bank Nifty also pulled back to this daily demand zone. There is a 50 DMA right here on the daily chart, but Bank Nifty hasn't broken this area of supply yet. All right. So Bank Nifty is still bearish for me. Obviously, I wouldn't short straight away here. I'm waiting to see some sort of a confirmation move here in Bank Nifty again, and then you can hold some sort of shorts here in Bank Nifty. The region above which Bank Nifty will turn bullish is around 45,100. All right, exactly 45,100. So 45,100 is the region around which Bank Nifty turns bullish. Make sure that you note the supplies. And the demand zone is obviously around the lows, which is 44,300 to 44,500 something. All right. A main takeaway from this entire exercise is that Nifty is bullish and Bank Nifty isn't bullish. So do not exactly depend on the charts here because Bank Nifty can take Nifty down with it, or if this succeeds on the upside, then obviously by that time Nifty will already be up from your trade level. So be very careful. There is a chance of some volatile moves here in the indices. Let's look at some sectoral indices as well, and let's look at Nifty IT since it is a big part of Nifty. So we will look at CNX IT here. All right. So if you see Nifty IT has been bullish, I have been talking about the bullish behavior of Nifty IT from this candle right here, and it's been going straight up um, without any supply till now. But supply is approaching fast, and I think there will be some pause at this supply. So make sure that you note the level of this supply. All right, it's basically the high of the month of July, which is around 31,600 something. All right. Let's look at CNX FMCG. FMCG has been weak. FMCG has been weak because of ITC, but FMCG has also pulled back to this area of demand. All right, this base right here, FMCG has pulled back to this base. So do not short any FMCG stocks straight away. Wait for a pullback into some sort of a turnaround here. If that happens, all right, it can very easily continue to go up as well. Now let's look at Nifty Auto. Uh, Nifty Auto tried to break below, but again, there has been some resurrection of demand right here. So Nifty Auto can also actually push up. So, so most of the sectors which were looking weak have definitely found demand on the lower side, and they are trying to push up here. So even with Nifty Metal, if you see, it was very weak yesterday, but it has found demand around this level. So this is usually a start of a fresh up move in any sort of index. And when you see multiple indices doing this together, so basically this means there has been a broad-based move towards the end. All right. So this can definitely mean that some sort of up move can happen in Nifty in the coming days. Right. So my bias for Nifty is definitely on the long side, without any doubt here. Let's quickly look at Dow Jones as well. So US 30, if you see, US 30 has actually held this zone for some time now. All right. So so you can argue this zone was broken here, and this supply is doing its thing. But now there hasn't been any selling in US 30. So if US 30 starts to reclaim this supply right here and starts going up again, we're definitely in for another round of up move here in Dow Jones as well. All right. Now in Nasdaq, if you see, which is US 100. Nasdaq has also pulled back to this base now. All right, so this base, this demand zone, Nasdaq is also right here. So things can turn pretty bullish here across the global markets, um, as we have seen today. All right, so make sure that you're aware of what's happening in the global markets because it affects your overnight positions. But my position is strictly on the long side here. All right, unless there is some news which affects the entire markets, I think we should steadily head up, and this can be a start of a new leg in this entire run. All right. So, so with that, we will end here, and make sure that you like the video, you subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next. Have a good trading week.